Hi, my name is Hitesh and you are watching Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. Below is my web homepage where you can access my contact form and can leave your valuable feedback. Now we are trying to solve a very important and major problem in the Metasploit, that it is being made to exploit the things and not to scan the vulnerabilities. Now I have already discussed the next post. Now the next topic that we have is Nessus. Now if you are already a pen tester, you might be saying that yes, this is a great tool and everybody should know and understand how important this tool is. Now Nessus has got some important feature, that it is a tunable network security. Now it utilizes a large number of vulnerability check that it makes out for a various number of hosts, and you can again use this Nessus plugin as a kind of a plugin in the MSF console, and you can identify a large number of vulnerabilities. Now by using a search feature in the MSF console, now this Metasploit actually accepts the already scanned vulnerability results also, and the file actually should be always in the .nbe file format. Now let us take a quick peek and look, because really I would be really honest with you, because covering these Nessus and Nexpose in just 2 videos is not at all possible, and I highly recommend that you yourself actually plays on with these videos, because this series is actually being dedicated on Metasploit only, so I'll be focusing on that part only. And really, to be honest, to cover these tools in a short series is also not possible. We have to go through in a very depth manner. But I would really like to make sure that you understand what are the features being available. So we have got the Nessus. You can simply load this plugin and can use most of its functionality out there. So Nessus Bridge for 1.1, and it's successfully listening. Now as always, I'll say there is a help option being available for us, and I will simply hit the help Nessus and can find out all the things which a Nessus can does. So these are the lists on which you can simply play. Like you can simply scan it, you can simply scan it, you can save it, you can report the vulnerabilities, you can add users, template list, and quite a bunch of things are there to perform for you. So now this is really important that you find out it very useful, and make sure that you also visit a various web page, blogs and everything to find out about these tools. In the later videos, as I always says, I will try, but I cannot promise for these, because this is actually a dedicated series for Metasploit. But really, if you again find any problem, you can simply drop me an email at hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com, or can also use my contact form. So this was all about using the things in the Metasploit. Now enough of scans about the vulnerabilities. Let's go and deep dive into some of the real actions out there on the ground. So within the next sections, we are going to hit a real ground on which we can make out some of the more impacts that actually sounds a lot more than this. Thank you so much for watching, and keep enjoying the exploitation stuff.